Video 812, bombs for Josh 112. Let's get into it. So in TileFed, within TileFed editor U32 edict 2 lay femi, we're now working on the bit packing logic. So right here, bit pack that bitch. This is the W16 value for the femi tile type, bit packed into the correct position, and a sanity check just to make sure that I'm doing what I think I'm doing. We have a nice little diagram here to make sure that the left shift of 15 is what I need to do to get the 9-bit femi tile into the correct position within our U32 payload. So I'm pretty sure this is correct. I diagrammed this shit out pretty intensely. Okay, then down here, we're gonna do our bit shifting for our output U32 binary tile payload. The W16 is already in place, so we're going to shift it by 0. The femi tile needs to be shifted over by 15, and then a right shift by 0 to make sure that this is interpreted as unsigned logic, because JavaScript is fucking weird. Okay, are we fucking tripping? Let's make absolutely sure that our shift by 15 is correct. So this is a femi tile where all 9 bits have been set and already shifted into position. I checked this in a calculator, and then we're just going to take this value. We're just going to take a 9-bit value, so this is all 9 bits in the least significant position. We're going to shift this over 15, and we should get this value. So femcheck and fembin, they should be equal to each other. If not, we're going to throw this error. All hope is lost, and we're going to log out the two values and see where we fucked up in a calculator. This is correct. I absolutely know this is correct. And we're outputting the binary tile here. There's more to do. We'll do that in other videos. What we did previously, and our footnotes, and what we did in this video. If you want a longer, more thorough explanation, Ninja Playlist 9, go find video A12. You are on Kanji Playlist 9. Tech demos only are here. Source code, ways of getting a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman game. Yes, I do know what Pocket Bomberman is. The proximity mines in this game have GoldenEye 007 mechanics and explode vertically, horizontally, and four-way, and can chain react, creating cascade Rube Goldberg of death game design like environments. So basically, it's kind of like Tetris, but you're gonna die. That's kind of what my friend said. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. I'm making a game engine. I'm documenting every single fucking line of code, and I'm open sourcing it. Like and subscribe.